Alright, so it's day 2, and I moved all this shit off there from last time, over there on that table. So I have to take this torque converter off, but it's pretty much just seized. Like, I tried turning the crank, and it won't move at all, even though someone got it to move somehow. It's not on top dead center, but I sprayed the cylinders with PB Blaster all inside the cylinders, and I let it soak overnight, and it just will not budge. So I'm probably gonna have to take off everything else, and then take the oil pan off, and just take out the connecting rods so I can spin the crank, and then take the damn torque converter off, and I can finally put it on the engine stand, clean it, whatnot. And so that's the plan. But first, I got to take out the fuel rail with the rest of the intake manifold and whatever else is down here. And then we can get to the fun part of taking off the camshafts. So yeah. I knew that was a fucking thing. Why did I do that? Well guys, I'm an idiot. I stripped out one of the fucking fan collectibles. Dumbass, so you can actually take them out. There we go. Pop off, try to pull you off. And then I can access this tiny cover. Get this big bolt out, which is gonna be a fucking blast. Now for the not so fun part. Rake the crank bolt. Move the bolts off first. This fucking job Pittsburgh from Harbor Freight. So honestly, this thing was pretty clean underneath the timing belt cover. I'm quite surprised actually. Doesn't look like it leaked from the cam seals at all. And even the front main seal doesn't look like it has. Maybe a little bit of oil. So honestly, it's pretty clean. I'm surprised. I'm sure it'll clean up nice if I just pressure wash it, whatever, degrease it. Gasket on the what is it? Really old gasket. This thing literally just peels off. Well, didn't fail, surprisingly. I guess that's Toyota quality. It's gonna snap again.
Wow. Copper. Sure.
Yeah. Alright, man. Thank you. Alright. Here we go. That's under door number 1. That's not terrible. Yeah, not the best. Definitely not the best. The lobes don't seem to be too damaged. You guys can tell me if these are any good or not. Get a better light. I mean, it doesn't look terrible to me. This one looks a little worse, especially right there. Doesn't look too good, but if you just want to inform me, maybe I can do some research myself. I'd say for this engine, I'm not completely wow, this is incredible. Okay, I don't know why, but the cam gears do not want to break loose, and I'm kind of damaging the valve covers on the edge. I don't want to get absolutely ridiculous. And in the process, I managed to damage the valve cover somehow. Right here. I don't know if this is detrimental, super detrimental right there, where the wrench goes, and right there. That one's pretty bad. But should keep oil, the gaskets. Just absolutely ridiculous, man. These things were so tight. Now I can take all the caps off, and video by Keswick, that's how you pronounce it. I took this diagram from him. Basically, want to take the camshaft caps off in this order. So you go 1, 2, and you go from there, slowly going outwards each time. And that disperses the force evenly, I believe, and allows you to take it off without cracking a camshaft. So, let's get started. Okay, this is really weird. The right side is already way tighter than this left side. I'm not sure why. If whoever did valve cover seals or something, maybe they had to change the springs or retainers. They over-torqued it or something, but this was just, even on these cam gears, they were extremely tight. It's not too bad. Surprisingly decent, like I said, in the camshaft. There we go. Some of the lobes don't look really happy, but it's pretty good shape. Okay, so remove the head. The only problem is I'm out of room. 12 point, whatever you call these, I'm not really sure. And it's time to take out the head. Look at these fucking things, man. Absolutely disgusting. Okay, well, I'm going to take the rest of these bolts out and the head will be off. Well guys, I pulled off the head and I wasn't expecting much from this engine, but this is why I wouldn't turn. I had to take a guess. So yeah, wasn't expecting much, but this is just, I don't even know. This is why you always change your head gasket if it's broken, or is about to break. Yeah. So, hopefully, if I'm lucky, I'm gonna spray these with PB Blaster and just drench them in it and let them sit for a while. And tomorrow, I guess, I'll see if they'll budge enough and if I can just hit them out from the bottom to take the crankshaft out. Hopefully they're salvageable. If I can get them machined or something, or just soak them in some sort of chemical solution. I might get lucky, but I might have to just buy another engine. But with all these parts I got, I'll probably be able to make back my money. I'll probably just buy another one, so yeah. It was an adventure. Even the coolant ports are fucking blocked up and clogged. But yeah. Always change your freaking head gasket when it's broken. Unless you want your engine to end up like this. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. It was fun, to be honest. I had a good time. I guess I'll see where this journey takes me next. Alrighty. Bye-bye.